Hello guys, I am artist Muthuswamy. I know you guys have been waiting for this video. In this video, I am going to show how to draw hands. So I know that is honestly one of the hardest thing to draw. And then like refine it more when I am doing the details. But this is kind of the shape that I see. So the next I am going to extend that shape and create the thumb, and then I like to imagine that there is a mitten on my hand. So I could get the upper shape, and honestly that tip is very helpful, especially when it gets to more complicated positions and angles. At the hand, it is just imagine a mitten over the first and then focus on the fingers later, and that's what I am doing here. So I am doing even more circles or ovals for the fingers just to get the placement correct. And then inside those circles I do even more circles. So as you can see, the fingers is kind of broken up into three parts. I try to just capture that, just to try to get the proportions, and pay attention to where those creases kind of happen. Yes. That's where I was kind of showing you just the different level of where the creases are, and to pay attention to that. I didn't really capture it too much in my quick sketch, but we will get to it, and then you can do it. The other one is, I guess I decided to do that first before doing the thumb. But sketch what you got to, and then the thumb. You will notice that there are just two creases rather than the three. So I only create like two circles there within the thumb. So now that we have our rough sketch, I am going to take this kneading eraser and just erase most of the lines that we created. But still just make sure I can see the general shape that we already made, just so it could be used as a guideline, and then we can go with the details. So this is where you just want to pay attention, and where those creases are, where the knuckles kind of bug out a little bit. Yeah, this is the more observational part. Well, I guess the whole thing is pretty observational. Thanks my friends. If you happen to try out any sketches after watching this video, please tag me on Insta as a macpaintings.com, and vote me for my Patreon page. If you liked it, please give me this video thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.